Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a secondary display for your PC. It can also use as a touch screen for your PC. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, go to your search bar at your PC and search spacetakes.net. Then a website will open. Then click on the download option. We all use Windows 10. You can download You can download these two versions, 32-bit and 64-bit. I use 64-bit. I have already downloaded this on my file. Here it is. You don't need to do anything. It will be open automatically. Then you have to give some permissions and you have to install it. Then work is done. Then go to the Play Store and download this app. I've already downloaded it. You don't need to do anything. Your phone and PC should be connected to the same internet. Then all done. Then connect your phone to your PC. See, my phone is connected to my PC. I can also use my mouse in this. If you want to listen to music or do anything on YouTube or Facebook, you don't need to come to your PC now. You can use your phone as a PC to your bed or anywhere. Enjoy.